So Kurt, I'm definitely going to go with the Gardena system for all my watering tools. I just think that click system is awesome.
Yep.
You have this thing here that I can actually repair a hose with some of their stuff. What do you have there?
Absolutely. Yep. It's definitely a non-traditional system without the clamp. So here's your traditional clamp system, which I have already cut off this hose. Just make sure you have a nice clean edge. Just line it up at 90, give it a nice clean cut. And then again, remember to put this guy on first. And then all you do is simply put this on and work it in as best you can.
Cool.
Now I didn't put any water or any soap on this, and traditionally I probably would put a little bit of soap on there. And you just thread the coupler on and tighten. Presto, done. There's your repaired end, and you're ready to go for the Gardena system, which I have a bunch of parts here I could quickly show you. Here's a revolver that we've already converted with the Gardena piece. Ready to go.
Great.